Hey guys, it's Harry back with another video for tips, tricks, streaming help, or any video game related material. Let's get started. Have you ever watched anyone like, say, Tim the Tatman here and saw his animated name just coming in and out? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do that. And if you stay to the end, I will give you a bonus little thing to show you something cool as well. As always, please subscribe down below, click a like, click the notification bell, and comment below. Let me know if this actually helps you out. Alright, let's get to it. First things first, I need you guys to go to Canva.com. If you've seen some of my other videos before, you know that I personally love Canva. It's a free website, so if you needed to design a logo, make a presentation, Instagram post, or some form of poster, even business cards or anything like that, go to Canva, make a free little profile, and I'll even link down below in the description on there. And I'm also going to link below an affiliate link on there. So if you would like to click on that, it can help support the channel just by getting clicks on there. And if you guys want, I can even throw some other little coupons and stuff in the. So if you do end up signing up for their pro membership, they'll kick back a couple bucks towards me. But definitely try out Canva for free first. Then, once you got that all started, I need you to go to Create Design. You're going to create a custom sign. We're going to do 1920 by 1080. So that. And if you want some more information like this, I'll link probably at the card at the top, as well as in the description and at the end of the video. I have a more exclusive version of all the Canva stuff, of going more in depth on a lot of this animation stuff. So this one's going to be primarily for when you're streaming, and if you want some lettering on your video while you're streaming. Next, we need to make a artificial green screen. I click on background. We're just going to click on some form of green to make our own little green screen here. Then we need to type in what we're going to end up typing. So you can pick whatever font, or you can just do basic. We'll just do like a basic one for the demo for you. So let's just do, for me, HarryMahnster. Great. Let's give it a cool, we'll do the yellow, just like Tim the Tatman. Make a cool yellow lettering for our channel. Well, let's make this a little bit more fancy, because if we end up just putting this on our overlay for our stream, it's just going to be flat. We're not going to have anything special on there. It will be super boring. So we don't want that. We want it to, like, spark pizzazz, you know? Have it come in and out, or do some kind of motion. So once we have our thing typed in there, we're going to click on our green screen. We're then going to click animate. Then from here, we're going to pick and decide what we want to go. So right now we currently have none. So we can choose our name to slide across just like that. Breathe in and out. So then it's going a little bit more oomph on there. And have it fade in and out, just kind of like how Tim the Tatman has. We can do that. We can have it pan into the side, rise up, tumble in, and even drift. And then if you happen to have the paid version, like right now I have the temporary paid version, so you get some cool promo stuff. But for this demonstration, we'll start for the free stuff, because then once you're on here, you got to download this as an MP4 file. So let's download this, let it do its thing. Once you have everything loaded up, then I need you to pull up your whatever version you're going to do for streaming. So if you use regular OBS or Streamlabs or some other Stream Elements, but for my demo, I'm going to end up using Streamlabs. So I'll meet you over onto Streamlabs next. Now that we're on Streamlabs, you need to have some form of scene. So mine right now is just set to basic capture for my desktop. And then we're going to move to sources. From our sources, we're going to click source. Here, we're going to add a media source because we're using an MP4 for our artificial green screen. And we're going to click add source. Now that we have our source, let's label it whatever you need it to. We're just going to keep mine as media source, add a source. Once you're here, you're going to do browse. Pick whatever your video is called that you created. I made mine, so I grabbed mine. So now we have our green screen on here. Next, we want to make sure, because if we end up just having it on there, it's just going to pop up and just disappear. We want to make sure that our picture we have is on loop. So now it's going to loop over and over and over. So see right there, make sure that it's going to be on there repeated over and over. Even adjust the speed of it. So if you want it to pop up real quick, pop that thing, or you can slow it down. So if you want it to only go little by little, it can slowly come in like that. You can adjust that. So for this, we'll just set it to like 150. Keep everything on auto. Boom. Done. We now have our little logo, but we still have this green screen on there, right? So to fix that, we're going to go to your media source or whatever you labeled it as. We're going to right click on there, go to filter. So now that you're in filter, you're going to click on this little plus mark. Click the plus. Here, you're going to end up clicking onto chroma key. Basic chroma key. Once we're on here, we're going to set it to green. You can change all this stuff if you want to, but I wouldn't. Now that we have it green, it's going to get rid of that. Boom. Now we have our logo, and it comes and it zooms in and out, does its thing, repeats it fast, and you can change that anytime you need to. So anytime you want to change anything up, change the speed of that, you want it to go real fast, boom, it'll come in and out, repeat it. So that is one way, for a cheap, easy way to have a nice banner name on your screen so you can stand out a little bit more, just like Tim the Tatman. Now that you stayed close to the end of the video, I wanted to show you a cool little trick to also make you stand out besides having your banner. What I'm going to show you is, instead of being in this square basic frame that you're in, I'm going to show you how to go from this into a nice circle like this. So what you got to do is go to Google and type yourself in circle PNG file. So you'll download something that looks just like this, a basic PNG circle file. All right. Boom. Once you have that installed, we're going to then go to your webcam that you have already on here, right? Going to right click, go to filters. Then you're going to go to that plus sign. You're going to want to add here, image mask blend. So add image mask blend. There, you're going to grab file, go on to browse, put that on there. Then you're going to want to, you may have to fiddle with this for the type. You may have to do alpha channel or into color channel. I've had problems doing it with the color, but try out to see which one works best for your computer. Once you do that, all you got to do is just click done and then bow. So what I started out with that, and when I added it, browsed, add that, and boom, then I have a circle. You click done, you have a nice little circle. So now it stands out a little bit more. You can do that with some other shapes too. So I've seen some other people do it with like a heart or a triangle, octagon. All you really need is just get a nice little PNG file, throw that into your filter, then your stream picture stands out just a little bit more. Plus, it helps out. Instead of having, so like in my picture right here for my webcam, I'm going to filters. If I take off this, I might have, so normally I have this whole picture, and it has other things in the video I don't really want to show. So it has my like exercise bike in the back, like that. You can even crop out that stuff. So if I wanted to, I can cut it out like this. Then boom, you can add that little circle so no one can see anything. Or since I really like it, I can add this and not have that crop, and then I can have that cool little moon post back. So those are some cool little things to make your stream stand out just a little bit more. So thank you as always. Much love. Thank you for stopping by. We will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.